Hello. Let's make this one short if I can. Keep calm. Carry on. 2021. Unclose your mind. You are not a prisoner. You are a bird in flight, searching the skies for dreams. '26. We get in a lot of ruts in life. We see ourselves a certain way. We see the world a certain way. We see the people in our life a certain way. We see our job a certain way. It's not just a lacking of variety in our life that can bring us down. It's a lack of variety, flexibility, adaptability, willingness, curiosity in our mind and our perspective. Human life is a journey. When we're kids, we look at babies and we're like, they could be anything. Endless possibilities, so much time. We don't know what their personal issues are going to be that come upon them in life, their traumas, their difficulties, their financial circumstances that are out of their control, their personal foibles and flaws that perhaps were not their fault due to traumas and things that were outside of their control, their strengths, their weaknesses, their bits and pieces, and their health and their mental health and anything that may come upon them and come in their way. And as we get older, we get set in our ways. You may feel that you're more like a tree than a bird. This quote can be extremely inspirational for those of us who are free, for those of us who are self-confident, for those of us not struggling to get through days, get through our ways, overcome difficulties, struggling with health challenges and relationship challenges and challenges. Everybody's got challenges. But often we feel just simply incapable of change. At the mercy of life, we feel like a tree firmly planted into the ground. And life, sometimes it's a nice sunny breezy day and pretty little Disney birds come sit on our branches and make us happy. And then other days it's a wind and hailstorm and we get some branches ripped off and we bend and hopefully don't break. We're not trees. No matter what circumstances you currently are facing or have faced in the past or will face in the future, we are sentient beings in movement. Life is a journey, an ever-evolving journey, and you are the star of your own play. Regardless of all the trauma, trouble, tribulation, difficulty, illness, etc. that has occurred to that little baby that we once saw so much possibility in, no matter how much time you do or don't have left, no matter what your surroundings are, and your personhood is in this moment, try to remember you're not a tree. You're more like a bird in flight. You are acting in the play that is your life. You are making decisions given the circumstances and contexts that you are in, good and bad. Your strengths, your weaknesses, your assets, your limitations. Everyone has an allotment of all of these. and begin to see yourself as a free agent, a consciousness, a living, breathing, moving, able individual who can make adjustments in their use of their time, their ways of thinking, their priorities, make change, make growth, make a difference in the world, in themselves, in other people, that you can do differently, you can be differently, you can become different, you can go to different places, you can do different things. You have the ability to choose. Your choices may be restricted because of burdens and outside circumstances and obligations you've already taken on, like families and other things, but you still have choice. And in search of dreams, again, if this could be aspirational, starting your own company and all that other good garbage, running a marathon, all those exceptional big goal chasing kind of things. Or it could simply be movement, betterment, growth, healing, stability, a life more filled with things that you want your life to be filled with. A life of variety and spontaneity and capabilities of growing those things in yourself that you wish you had more of, that you wish you were more of. You were more considerate, more kind, more compassionate, less moody, more even-keeled, more intelligent in a given area. You can learn about certain things. Dreams are the ability to change. Dreams are those shiny little objects. A bird flies around and finds some shiny object on the ground, and it woohoo and adds it to its nest. You, my friends, are not trees. You're not inanimate and unconscious. You're in flight, in movement every day of your life, one way or another, progressing or degrading. Even if you feel like you're sitting still and not going anywhere, you are going somewhere, because time marches on and change is inevitable and guaranteed. And you can pick the direction you fly to a degree within the circumstances you are given, and seek that landscape for shiny objects, not literal objects. We're not promoting acquirement of things. We're promoting acquirement of things that will provide you fulfillment, happiness, self-esteem.